Well, in most divorce cases involving children, one spouse will pay the other spouse child support. Child support is generally determined using the New Mexico Child Support Guidelines. The support amount is a calculation based on each parent's gross income, the child's health insurance costs, any work-related childcare for the child, and can also include certain fixed expenses for the child, or even travel expenses if the parents live in different states. Also, keep in mind that the definition of income for child support purposes is extremely broad and essentially includes income from all possible sources. There are two guideline worksheets that are used to help determine child support payments, a Worksheet A and a Worksheet B. So, how do you know which worksheet applies to you? Well, it's generally a function of how much time each parent has with the child. If it's a more traditional time-sharing schedule, support is calculated on a Worksheet A. If it is more akin to a shared physical custody arrangement, wherein both parents have at least 35% of time with the child, then support is calculated on a Worksheet B. New Mexico case law also provides us with some direction when there are multiple children between the parties that are not following the same time-sharing schedule. Do the worksheets always apply? No. There are many instances when either the parties agree or a court determines that the application of a worksheet is just not appropriate. Such instances may include when one or both parents make significant income. Such an application of the guidelines would result in extremely high child support that really goes beyond actual support for the child. Or when application of the guidelines would result in the primary care parent paying support to the non-custodial parent. Or when one or both parents' income is extremely volatile, such that it would be better to have regular monthly amount of support with additional support than paid during periods of high income or at bonuses. When does this child support end? Well, when the child is legally emancipated, either by court order or when the child reaches 18 and graduates from high school, or up to age 19 if that child has not graduated from high school. Support can also end if the child joins the military, dies, or gets married. If a child has a disability that makes it impossible for that child to become self-sufficient, child support may actually continue indefinitely. Is child support tax deductible? Well, generally it is not tax deductible to the person paying it, nor is it includable in the other parent's income for income tax purposes. We work closely with our clients in their child support matters. Especially in those cases where parties are business owners or high income earners, it is particularly important for you to work with attorneys that understand more than just the basic child support guideline calculation. We have that knowledge and expertise at Little Gilman-Tepper and Batley. We'd be happy to meet with you to further discuss your child support matter.